articles a, an, and the. The learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the indefinite articles a and an, and the definite article the. Use the indefinite articles a and an appropriately. Use the definite article the appropriately. Articles. Look at the following pictures and pay attention to the use of the articles. It's a pen. It's an apple. They are in the kitchen. Indefinite articles a and an. Use a or an only with singular count nouns like student, book, apple, etc. A or an means that there are several people or things, but you are not thinking of a particular one, or you are not saying which one. Example: there are several pens. I want one. It's not important which one. So you say, can I have a pen? Here you are not thinking of a particular pen. You just want any pen. Indefinite articles a and an. Use an before vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u. Example: she lives in an apartment. The word apartment starts with a vowel sound, so it is preceded by an. A bee is an insect. The word bee starts with a consonant, so it is preceded by a. The word insect starts with a vowel sound, so it is preceded by an. The exam lasts for an hour. Notice here that the letter H is silent. It is not pronounced. So the word hour starts with a vowel sound, so it is preceded by an. An hour. Tom lives in a house. The word house starts with a consonant sound, so it is preceded by a. The letter H is pronounced. It is not silent. Ali works at a university. The word university starts with the letter U, and it is pronounced Y, so it is not a vowel sound. So it is preceded by a university. I want an umbrella. The word umbrella starts with the letter U, but it is pronounced a. A is a vowel sound, so it is preceded by an umbrella. So be careful. Choose a or an because of the sound, not because of the spelling, as in a university and an umbrella. Definite article, the. Use the when you talk about a particular thing or person, or when it is clear which person or thing you mean. There's only one red book. I want it. So you say, can I have the red book? Here you are thinking of a particular book, the red book. Articles a, an, and the. Use a or an to say what someone or something is. For example, Walid is a firefighter. An elephant is an animal. Use the when there is only one of someone or something. Example, my mom is in the kitchen. There is only one kitchen in the house. The sun is hot today. there is only one sun. Use a or an the first time you talk about something. Use the after the first time you talk about something. Example, I have a pen. Here the word pen is mentioned for the first time, so it is preceded by a. The pen is blue. Here the word pen is mentioned for a second time, so it is preceded by the. We looked at an apartment. The word apartment here is mentioned for the first time, so it is preceded by an. The apartment was too small. The word apartment here is mentioned for a second time, so it is preceded by the.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.